Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So today we are going to see how AI Sales Agent can be deployed on your website, how AI Sales Agent can be set up. So we're gonna run through the setup guide. Let's check it out. So you need to go to Yaraa AI Sales Agent website, click on Try Now button. That will open up, free 90 days trial for you. Just add the email name details and it will, once you successfully submit it, you will get the email with the username and password. Click on the URL to access it, and here you are on the dashboard. Initially it will show you the setup wizard like you see on the screen. You need to enter the website. So Yaraa AI Sales Agent works based out of your website, right? So it actually adds all the website pages into its database so that it can train the AI model. Now let's just add the business name, country, uh, the business classification. So we're gonna add for this is for the UK pharmacy. So we're gonna select United Kingdom and pharmacy as a sub business sub classification. Whether you want a response to be concise from AI or elaborate, you can also set up the audio speed, avatar image size. You can also upload the business logo. Audio speed you can keep it slow or fast. Then you can also listen to voice samples from UK male and female. Let's just select UK female for now, and we're gonna select the default avatar Jenny, uh, and then that's done with the step one, which is like your AI 3D virtual avatar setup. Now step two is more about adding your website URL. So this is gonna train the agent for what kind of question answer the website visitor is gonna have it when it gets deployed. And this is the lead generation form, right? So you can add name, email, phone, and things like that. The fields that you don't need, you can just click it on optional. Let's look at how we can deploy the WordPress plugin for Yaraa. So step 4 deploy is where we need to click. Once you click there, you will see the AI agent is not deployed. So it says your AI agent is not deployed. Click on download plugin. So that will download the plugin for WordPress. And now let's go to WordPress admin, install the plugin. So we'll upload the plugin and install it and then finally activate it. So let's activate the plugin. And once we have it activated, let's just go to from left menu, go to Yaraa manager. Over here it will ask you to log in to connect it, but let's see in the admin. So you have the AI agent deployed and the green symbol says that is properly connected. And now let's look at the front end. So you can see the Yaraa AI agent WordPress plugin. Due to that, the AI agent is deployed correctly.